Hey there, my name is Abdel Nisa and thank you for joining me. What a performance we have witnessed here in the month of November. The S&P is up over 10%, NASDAQ is up 11%. I mean, this is really like an unbelievable performance in 1 month. And more importantly, we have also witnessed a rotation within the stock market that I'm going to talk about. So let's get to it. So before I go into the specific of the performance this month, I wanted to first address why in the first place did we have such a massive rally in the month of November. And to me, there were two main reasons. One is vaccine related and two is election. So as far as the vaccines, okay, so both Pfizer and Moderna showed 95% effectiveness. I think the market was not expecting such high numbers, especially that this is the first time really that we are using the technology that they have developed, and probably most people thought we will be in the 70% range. I personally thought that could be the case, maybe a little bit higher, but not 95%. Okay, so that is market took that in strides, and that was really a very positive news that exceeded the expectation. And two, it's related to election. What we witnessed before the election is there was a lot of fear in the market. Markets does not like uncertainty. I think now we have a little bit further clarification on the election, although the Senate race is not done. So we have 2 seats in Georgia that will be decided in January. But the market, once we have had a little bit of certainty around election, I think the market liked that as well. So now with the vaccine news, and hopefully the market is looking forward. Remember, they were seeing like maybe 6 months from now, hopefully this COVID crisis will be behind us, and the market does not wait, of course, until the crisis behind. The market prices the news way early. So with that, what happened in the market is we have seen a massive rotation towards cyclicals. Okay, so during the COVID crisis, certain type of stocks have performed well, including technology, but with the vaccine news, things have changed. So let me give you some examples. Russell 2000, which is the small cap index, the index for small companies, was up 18% this month. Before today was up like even 20%. I think that was the highest percentage return in a month for Russell 2000. You look at the sector like energy, okay? Energy was up 25% this month, okay? So energy was way oversold ahead of the election because of the potential Biden win. And obviously with less driving, the coronavirus crisis impacted the energy sector. But again, with the election clarity as well as the vaccine news, energy rallied like 25%, which is absolutely massive. Another rotation we have witnessed is growth versus value. So during the COVID crisis, growth, okay, so if you buy stocks with a high expected growth, those stocks have performed much better than value stock, which are stocks that are cheap, okay? So here we have witnessed a reversal during the month of November where value stocks have really outperformed these growth stocks. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call a full risk on mode, okay? Basically people were buying risk assets in the month of November. Now what happened to the safe havens in the month of November? Little bit of the opposite. So if you look at traditional safe haven classes such as gold was down 4%, okay? If you look at the dollar was down as well, and treasuries were flattish, okay? So safe haven assets on average went down, and then risk assets went up. Perhaps even the best example for risk asset that went like crazy in the month of November is Bitcoin, which was up like 40%. So now it gets a little bit interesting, okay? So usually the month of December is a good month for equities, for the stock market from a seasonality perspective. So that's a positive. On the other hand, we're starting to see a little bit of euphoric behavior. So for example, if you look at the option activity, it reminds me a little bit of what happened at the end of August and early September. So we'll see. I think it's going to be interesting to watch what happens in the stock market in the month of December, and then hopefully we actually that Congress comes up with a stimulus deal, which in my opinion will push the stock market even higher. With that, I hope the info I provided today was very helpful. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you next time.